Hi! In front of me is Oppo Find X3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add face data on this Oppo. Start by opening Settings. Following that, scroll down and choose Passwords and Biometrics. Then click on Add Face, enter your current login method and choose Continue. After that, remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of those instructions. Then you can click on the switcher next to Raise to Wake to enable or disable this feature and tap on Done. Now when I click Home button, turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my Oppo. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!